What's going on, creators? Welcome to the channel. I'm Artis Stayillin and this is the Arts Museum, and for today's video is a custom streetwear essential. So let's get into it. Once again, welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm Artis Stayillin, and here we do DIYs, customizations, sneaker talk, and other things. Coach, if you find any value in any of this content, you might want to consider subscribing. And if you like the video, respectfully. So I decided to start a series called Custom Streetwear Essentials, where I customize some of the most popular streetwear brands today my way. So I wanted to customize some workwear for a project that I'm working on. In my opinion, the most popular workwear out today, Carhartt. Now, Carhartt has been a staple essential in New York City alongside others like Karl Kani, Maurice Malone, Tommy Hilfiger, just to name a few. Come to think of it, I never had the opportunity to wear Carhartt when I was a kid. Nor Karl Kani, nor Maurice Malone, nor Tommy Hilfiger. Because my parents wasn't trying to pay all that money for some clothes. That's neither here nor there. Right, I don't want to hold you all for too long, so we gonna get right into this customization. Let's go. So I purchased an extra large. I felt like I should have got a large, but I realized that I'm gonna wear a hoodie with this jacket, so the extra large would do. Alright, so in order for me to complete this custom, I'm gonna need a few items. Angela's flat white paint, GAC 900, pink, red, black, and white Posca pins. I wanted to try to put the flap of the pocket inside of the pocket and just start painting. You know, that's how I wanted to do it, but I should have just flapped it up like I did later on and tape it down so I can just get the clean look, because I kind of got some paint on the pocket flap, but it's alright. It's not a big deal because you can't really see it. I wanted to avoid that. How this jacket would look is exactly how it came out, though I do have a little issue with the back of the jacket with the Arts Museum words in the back. I didn't think I was getting enough paint on the jacket, so I did another pass and another pass. All in all, it came out pretty dope still. I still love how this jacket came out. You guys let me know how you feel about it in the comments down below. Alright, so that brings us to the end of today's episode, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed yourself and gained any type of value from this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Share this video to your father, your mother, your sister, your brother, whoever. Facts, no cap. Respectfully. See you on the next one.